एक्स मिनिस्टर आनी टॉल पॉलिटिकल लिडराक समज आपणाय फायल क्लियर करूंक 15-20 लाख फारीक करूंक पडटाय जाल्यार बारीक मनशान आपणाय ते फायल पास करूंक कितें करूंक पडटलें. हें करप्शन गव्हर्मेंटाक हांव सल्यूट मारता कित्याक तेणी दे हॅव टेकन इट टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल. ओके, सो एक लिमीट आसताली करप्शनाची, पूण हें करप्शन आतां इतू जालां की ओन पार्टी मेंबर्स आनी एक्स MLAs आनी मिनिस्टर्स तेंचेर एलिगेशन न्हू, तेंचेर डायरेक्ट हें कोत्ताय की आपूण हें पांडुरंग माडकयकार म्हणटा आपूण 20 लाख दिले. सो आमी म्हणटाय कितें द गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा, द BJP गव्हर्मेंट ऑफ गोवा हॅज टोटली फेल्ड. करप्शन हॅज गॉन टू द नेक्स्ट लेवल आनी लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन हॅज टोटली कॉलेप्स्ड. एक बारीक खबर सांगपा म्हणल्यार तुमकां आमगे कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सी कोर्तालीम जुवारीन एक लँडींग केल्या. ती लँड प्रेस्टीज बिल्डर म्हणटाय तेणें घेयल्या फ्रॉम बेंगलोर. प्रेस्टीज बिल्डर समजता की आख्खेंच गोंय आपण घेयलें आनी आमगे गोंयकारांकूय घेयली म्हणून. ते प्रॉपर्टी लागून एक हें आहा क्रिमेटोरियम आहा हिंदूलो. आतां 6 म्हयने जाले थिंगा लोकांक ते क्रिमेटोरियमा वचोंक एक्सेस बंद केला. आतां 6 म्हयन्यान थिंगा 6 मन्न जालीं ते विलेजीन बेलेम वेलसांव विलेजींत. तांकां बाड्यांक दुसरी क्रिमेटोरियमा व्हरून तेंगेले लास्ट रायट्स करूंक पडटाय. सो हांव गव्हर्मेंटाक विचारून सोयता इतू दादागिरी तुमगेली हूंय कितें पूण कोत्ता तुमी गोंयकारांचे इतू अत्याचार करून आनी मागीर गोंयकारान तर कितें केलें वो लॉ एंड ऑर्डर सिट्युएशन क्रिएट केलें तुमी म्हणटाले आमी दादागिरी कोत्ताय म्हूण. हांव तुमकां इतलें सांग कोत्ता दीस इज द बेजीक ह्युमन रायट, लास्ट रायट्स ह्या मनशाले. हे परफॉर्म करपाक कोणाच्यान हाडपा जायना. पूण प्रेस्टिजान आनी गोंयच्या गव्हर्मेंटान आमकां क्रिमेटोरियमा रस्तो बंद केलो आहा. तुमी जाय जाल्यार पर्सनली येवन चॅक कोराय थिंगा. ओके, वेलसांव विलेजींत हो क्रिमेटोरियम बंद केला फोर्सिबली फेन्सींग कोन्न. सो हेजेर गव्हर्मेंटान कितें एक्शन घेवपा जाय. कित्याक गो म्हणटा गव्हर्मेंट म्हणटा आमी बारीक समाजाय गव्हर्मेंट, हो बारीक समाजाय गव्हर्मेंट न्हू, फकत बिल्डर लॉबीलो गव्हर्मेंट. आनी जे एलिगेशन पांडुरंग माडकयकारान केलां इट्स ऑफ द ग्रेविटी इज व्हेरी डीप इन इट. ओके, हें एलिगेशन सादें कोण चलते भोंवते मनशान केलो जाल्यार इट वॉज ओके. एक एक्स मिनिस्टर सांगता की इतू करप्शन चल्लो आहा गव्हर्मेंटान तेजेर
of the BJP, presently in the BJP, he made this charge after meeting the top leader of the BJP, Santosh ji. There was something has transpired there after having met, and he has come out publicly to say that he had to pay 15 to 20 lakhs to clear his file. Now this is a very serious charge, as my colleague has said, Bab Mariam. The question is now, and you may ask me one question, before that I will answer it, that why did it take us so many days to come here? Why has today AITC has come so late? It's not late, because the statement came out in public on the 4th. Today we are on the 8th. We wanted to have it yesterday, but we got stuck somewhere. Now the question is, we have come today not to make any political tamasha out of it, but having waited that no action of this government has been taken by this government. Therefore, we are here today to make a demand that if this government, if this statement was made by anybody from the opposition, the person who made the statement would have been first called for interrogation, questioning, investigating. One of the ministers says his statement is just made, there is no proof. And he is your party man. He is saying that he has given money to clear a particular file. Why don't you question him? He will give you all the evidence. If you are not going to ask him, he is going to come and tell you he's made a public statement. You can prove it which file was cleared, which department it was, so which minister is there involved, because this is that PAs are taking the money under this government is nothing new. It is well known facts. The question is, today if this statement was made by anybody, first thing would be ED, CBI, IT, from where the money came. This is an open fact now. Now if this, and it is also known that already complaints are lodged to the vigilance department, and yet the government is silent. Why? Is the government by its silence confirming, yes, the minister has taken, and is the chief minister waiting to the so-called reshuffle to drop that minister? Let him say that. Let him tell the people of Goa that he has taken note of it and is taking action on that. He is not utter a word. How can this happen? It is his cabinet minister. It is a collective responsibility. Or is it that that minister has got something against the chief minister? This is what they should answer. Letting know. तुका म्हाका सांगतलो ताणें सांगलें आपल्यान दिलें म्हणून करेक्ट तो जर ना सांगलें ताका अरेस्ट करा मरे गिवर ऑफ द ब्रायब इज इक्वली गिल्टी एज द रिसिवर ऑफ द ब्रायब हें तुमी सगळें जाण तुका सांगपाची गरज ना इफ इज नॉट टेलिंग द नेम इफ इज नॉट प्रोड्युसिंग द एविडन्स प्लीज सी that action is taken against him. If he is giving evidence, make him a, what you call, the approver and go ahead.
Stand what about your stand on the
We are exploring all legal options. What can be done? Because see, there is already complaint lodged before the vigilance. We don't, again, we also go lodge vigilance, all that. If we have to lodge to the vigilance and ask, I will tell you, there is something known as Lokayukta sitting down there. This is a fit case to also go to Lokayukta. 1 year past, I filed a petition before the Lokayukta on IDC, if you remember. Nothing is happening there. So we are looking all, therefore we are not coming immediately next day to make politics out of here. 4 days past, no action has been taken.